In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the WordPress error establishing a database connection step by step. This is one of the most common WordPress errors, and don't worry, it looks scary, but it's usually very easy to fix. By the end of this video, your website should be back up and running. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. Let's get started. So first, what does this error actually mean? When you see error establishing a database connection, it usually means the handshake between your WordPress files and your database server is broken. WordPress relies on a database to store all your posts, pages, users, and settings. If it can't connect to that database, your site simply won't load. In 2026, the most common reasons for this error are either your database service didn't start correctly, especially on local environments like localhost, or your wp-config.php file has incorrect database credentials, so we're going to check both. Step 1. Restart your website from your hosting manager. If you're using shared hosting, VPS, or even a local development tool, log into your hosting dashboard and look for the option to restart services. Restart your web server and your MySQL or database service. Sometimes the database server simply stops running, and restarting it immediately fixes the issue. After restarting, refresh your website and see if the error disappears. If it's still there, move on to the next step. Step 2. Navigate to your wp-config.php file. This file is located in the root directory of your WordPress installation. You can access it through your hosting provider's file manager or via FTP. Open your hosting control panel, go to File Manager, then open the folder where WordPress is installed, usually called public_HTML or your domain name. Once you're inside, locate the file named wp-config.php. This is the file that contains your database connection settings. Step 3. Click to highlight and open the wp-config.php file so you can edit it. Be careful not to change anything yet. We just want to review the database credentials. Step 4. Check the database alias. You're looking for 3 very important lines: DB name, DB user, and DB password. DB name should match the exact name of the database you originally created. DB user should match the database username assigned to that database. And DB password must match the password created for that database user. Even one incorrect character can cause the error, so carefully compare these values with the ones in your hosting dashboard under MySQL databases. If you're working locally, check your local server settings to confirm the correct database name, username, and password. If you notice anything different, correct it so that it matches exactly. Make sure there are no extra spaces and no missing quotation marks. Step 5. Save the file and refresh your site. After saving wp-config.php, go back to your browser and reload your website. In most cases, this immediately resolves the WordPress error establishing a database connection. If your site loads successfully, that means the issue was incorrect credentials or a stopped database service. Congratulations, you've just fixed one of the most common WordPress errors. If this video helped you fix your website, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.